WeChat is one of the most popular apps in China, and also one of the most complex. It combines social networking, instant messaging, and mobile payments all in one. For Chinese users, signing up requires strict real name verification. But for foreigners, the requirements are generally less demanding. Interestingly, WeChat actually has two names. In China, it's called Weixin, Weixin, while outside of China, it's known as WeChat. Most Chinese people think these are two different apps, but they're not. It's the same app. After identifying a user's country or region, WeChat simply offers different features and applies different compliance rules based on local laws. In fact, a Weixin account and a WeChat account can be switched back and forth just by changing the linked phone number. Why you need WeChat in China? The reason is simple. China has become almost a cashless society. From Starbucks to small street vendors, everyone uses WeChat. Foreign visitors often discover that while some shops technically accept cash, getting change back can be a real hassle. So when people say travelers need WeChat, what they really mean is WeChat Pay, weeks in payment. The challenge of signing up for many travelers planning a trip to China, registering for WeChat feels frustratingly difficult. Even when they're already in China and getting help from a local friend, the process can drive people crazy. As a Chinese user, I actually find it quite straightforward, and I often help foreigners register. Still, many of my friends complain about how complicated it is, and I usually just laugh and agree. It really can feel overwhelming for someone visiting China for a short time. But here's what I want to tell them. If you tried to use WhatsApp inside China, that would be even harder. Compared to that, WeChat is actually pretty simple. Below, I'll walk you through the registration process step by step, as if I were demonstrating it in a video. What you'll need before you start a mobile number that can receive SMS messages and will remain active long term. A MasterCard or Visa debit card, a credit or debit card for payments, for everyday WeChat Pay use. This can be from almost any country or region, including MasterCard, Visa, JCB, Diners Club, American Express, or Union Pay. Step 1. Download the app first. Download the WeChat app. iPhone users, go to the App Store. Android users, use Google Play if possible. Avoid downloading APK files from unknown websites to protect your personal data and avoid security risks. And if you're using a VPN, turn it off before you start. Step 2. Registration process. The registration has two main parts. Identity verification. Open the app and choose your preferred language in the top right corner. In my demo, I selected English. Tap Sign Up in the bottom right. Enter your name and mobile number. For example, I used a US number for this demo. Check the box to agree to the terms. Tap Next and complete the security verification. A screen will appear asking for your debit card information. Enter the card details and continue. After the card is verified, you'll receive an SMS code to confirm your phone number. Once verified, you'll see a page asking for additional information to confirm your age. Agree to the service terms and proceed through the prompts. You've now successfully created your WeChat account. Payment card verification. To activate WeChat Pay, go to the payment setup screen. You can link almost any globally issued credit, debit, or prepaid card. Enter your card details. The system will automatically detect the card type. Complete a brief verification process, similar to making an online purchase. Agree to the user agreement and set a 6-digit payment PIN, a common Chinese standard for mobile payments. Once the verification is complete, your card will be successfully linked. Extra tips and common issues. My demo might make it look easy, but in real life, you might encounter a QR code verification screen that stops you from moving forward. Chinese users don't find this strange because real name verification is part of everyday life here. But for a short-term visitor, it can be a real obstacle. If this happens, you can ask a Chinese friend to help you. Some people even pay strangers to assist, though I strongly don't recommend that. Still, it's an option some travelers use to get WeChat working. Is there an easier way? Yes. I have my own method to make registration faster and smoother. I'll share that in my next video. Stay tuned.